Hi, nieces and nephews. Welcome back to Auntie Nell's Kitchen. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome to the family. I'm so excited to have you here. I appreciate all of you all's love and support to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, today is going to be a really quick side dish because you guys have got to be tired of that Thanksgiving turkey and the ham, okay? So this is something you can put on the table, something outside of the standard holiday sidekicks, okay? So it's really easy. We're going to be doing sautéed asparagus, and I'm going to finish them off with the a sweet balsamic vinaigrette that's fruit infused. It's already infused with fruit. So I'm going to do a flip and a squip. Whatever you call real script. Anyway, you know what I'm talking about. And show you everything that you need so you can have this dish at home for you and your family, like Auntie say. Keep to yourself. Okay? Hold on. Okay. Here I have 4 teaspoons of butter so I have this is olive oil in my pan. This is light olive oil. That's all you'll ever see me cook with is the light olive oil. And I have the butter added in here. Stove is not on. And I have, this is a pack of fresh asparagus. For this, you will need to use fresh asparagus. And I've doused it with some light olive oil. And, wash. And I dried them with paper towels because I need my olive oil to stick to this. And I put just some salt and black pepper on them. That's all that's on here. And I'm just giving them a toss to get them well coated. And they nicely coated. You can put as much salt and pepper on here, that you like. Now I did trim them because they were longer than this, but I did trim them. So I'm going to put this over here. And I'm going to get my olive oil. Do not put your olive oil on high, because olive oil cannot handle high heat. Now, there's an olive oil that can be used for cooking, but I've never bought it, but, so I could take this glove off. Throw that over there for a little housekeeping. And so I'm just basically going to melt my pan, and I'll be back. Not melt my pan, melt my butter. Okay, I hear it's starting to sizzle. So I'm going to go ahead and get my asparagus down. Get them all nicely down here. I love asparagus. Now, for my fellow people, my fellow gastroparesis followers, they have to be cooked soft, super soft. Really mushy soft for mother, but not Katie pot. Put that over there. Last one, find you an apartment. And I'm going to throw that over there for a little house. And I'm going to leave these alone. I have this on 3.5, and I will be back. And I talked about my fruit infused balsamic. I have pear, fig, that's my favorite. Raspberry, which I'm gonna be out of there. My pomegranate, whatever you call it. And the original sweet, I'm telling you, this is the best sweet balsamic glaze. The original, whatever that Italian name is. I love it, love it, love it. And I'm telling you, look for that right there. Product from Italy. This is a really good balsamic glaze. I love this. And this is my go-to brand for my fruit-infused olive oil. Yum, yum, yum. So I just don't know. And I always look for things that are products of Italy. And I do look to see if they actually made in Italy. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna Yeah, I want pear. So I'm gonna use my pear today. I want to save my, I like to save my raspberry for other little dishes. So what you're gonna do, they really smell good already. I need to shut my mouth, start talking, huh? I love it. The Pamper Princess, she won't eat them with glaze. She won't eat them. And I'm not fixing any with garlic. So I'm going to leave those alone. Be right back. You see that pretty char that they're getting? Not burnt char. A nice, beautiful, tight caramel looking char. That's what you want, unless you like them burnt char. You know, it's whatever your preference is on your level of char, what you like. Me personally, I don't like that. So I'm not looking for that. And so I like that subtle char color. So I'm going to bring these around to get some of that center heat. And as you can see, they'll get lumpy. Now you can take them off at this point, but my dietary needs, I can't eat them like this. And these are, at a previous upload, I did the chicken cordon bleu. So this will complement the chicken cordon bleu. Because that was Caitlin's dish. 2, 4, 6. So I will take off 6 of these for myself. No, take me 2, 4, 6. I think 6 will do for me. This is the perfect tenderness for her, and this is actually a perfect tenderness. You know, unless you gotta eat them soft like I do, this is really what you're looking for right here. You don't want them loopy goopy doopy, you know, unless you have dietary restrictions and they have to be cooked that way, where they have to be loofy goofy. So I'm going to remove these. I'll give me 8. So I'm going to remove these and get them on a plate. Okay, here's that first side patch right here. See that beautiful, nice char on them? Okay, which is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, now these are K-pots. So those are hers when she gets them from school. Okay, these are mine. Now mine's gonna go in a food processor anyway, so it can be mushed down. So I'm going to drizzle these so you can see how pretty it is, and then I'll add more when I put in my food processor. I'm using my Pear Balsamic. That's it. That's all this is. Some Pear Balsamic glaze. That's it. Yum, yum, yum. That's quick. A little extra sweetness. I wish I could eat now. Okay, my friends, my friends and family. Oops. Here it is. Oh, Lord. I'm making a huge mess. Hey, it's real. It's no retake. No retake. That's why you got soap and water. And bleach. All right, here it is. Here is our sauteed asparagus, nothing but olive oil, butter, with a little char. And I use my, and you can order these. I ordered, you can order them. And this is basically my my pear glaze, my pear balsamic glaze. That's what this is. And then I added some of my original glaze. This is sweet. This is sweet. I mean, it's sweet. And this has that balsamic, you know, kind of remind your red wine vinegar. But it has a hint of fruit to it. And then adding this to it enhances that sweetness. So it really balances out. Then you got the little salt in here. So everything is balanced out real good. You know, I sound like Chef Ramsay. Ain't nobody chef. So anyway, thank you guys. So I'm going to pull my food processor down. And get these in. And then I have me some baby food. Hold on, family. Thank you guys for tuning in to my video with the sauteed asparagus. And like I finished them off with that fruit-inspired balsamic glaze. And if you don't want to do that, you could just leave them like the first set was. You know, make it your own, add your own little sauces, whatever you like to do. Okay. Now I'm going to have me some tea, lubricate the old vocal cords here. So hugs and kisses to each of you. Thank you guys. I appreciate all of you. And until the next upload, hugs and kisses to each of you. Love you guys. Bye.